For many years, I've been told, how do you do it all? How do you get so much done? Well, I have an energy hack for you that will show you how to leverage your energy in a way that you've got what it takes to go the distance with what's on your list. I'm going to suggest you start small with this technique, but you're the boss. You do you. Here's what I like to do. You have a chakra right here in the center of your head. It's your 6th chakra. And it's your idea generator. It's certainly how you run the energy for what you think. It's where your beliefs are housed. So it's a multi-purpose chakra. It's a multitasking chakra. So just coming out the chute, your 6th chakra is there to support you. I like to do what I call run in background. So a lot of times, for example, I will think about YouTube content. I will think about blog posts and emails that I need to write to my list, and I'll run them in background until it's time to do them. Now, I'll be very honest, I don't put 10 things in background. I put the next thing in background. So this little trick is that you imagine that you have this project. I will imagine putting that in the very back of my 6th chakra. So the chakra is a round ball, and I put it in the back. And I just imagine that I've got a little slot there that I can insert it into. And I know that because I am intending that energy is directed towards that project. Now, at times, I will have very clear thoughts and insights that land as I'm doing something else that I know are about that blog post or about that project. That's great. I imagine tucking them in the folder because it's not time yet. Other times, nothing comes to me at all. And yet I know that next thing is in my 6th chakra. And when it's time and I sit down to create that next thing, I pull the folder. And I imagine that it has been percolating. It's been simmering on the back burner. And that, in fact, it's already making itself. And it kind of does. It's not that all the words of the blog post are fully formed. It's that the idea has crystallized. And my energy has been galvanized behind it and is ready to take on that task, as opposed to having to wrestle with something for a couple of hours. And then I've already got the next thing in my back of my 6th chakra, and it's simmering on the back burner. Now, when I say start small, what I mean by that is if you've got something that's going to happen a year from now, that's too long to hold that energy. If you've got something that's got to be done next week, but you can't put any time or energy into it right now, perfect. Try that. So, love to have your feedback on how the skill is working for you, how you're using it, what you're doing. So feel free to comment. Let me know.